one and you are more for
second round. Obey the moment what
what I say. But yeah, when you know, yeah, you say, yeah, when nom had, yeah, course, you bet, I mean, you bet pressure say no, and your man go, you know, one of can be this year. We are not here to fight the law, we are not here to fight the system, we are just calling for.
May say, NDCfuo, your Levy demonstration, we are hypocrite. NDCfuo, Levy demonstration, we are hypocrite. They are there. Yeah, better was a one shot. NDC akọ kwan ho ebo danger ekoye dede say Levy ne yempene anamebwa okay NDC honorable baako ye we interview ye bisa the question what fire me Avraham ma me ma ye nimbra mo hwe na ye wi amabo video na kire mo me say mo share video no ye ndiagro we respect law ye nim say mra ye aduma
approach there no ye nim say mra ho no enti person so hide there so ye aduma what I say e wo say mra no ye aduma ka kire mo
eni twade me ma ban na wo so me na me ye president and na me di Levy ba Levy na me de ba no and na wo fa yaw so on the political party me MPP wo fa yaw NDC and na MPP di Levy eba and na wo NDC wo se there be ade na nye onyintum ye hu demonstration and na ye wo NDC ni interview and ye be say Levy no se mo ba ban mu a mo be pene so ana mo pene so a straight away they also can say Debbie demonstration so the answer on the by they say for the first time mbebunu ejina neutral yeka on kasama NDC on kasama MPP this time omu bi da o enti na me say
yam be dan tototo sa
yam fa ni easy some crofom you know your mafias ye ni an yete say omo keka say NDC MPs ni bi afrechire ekwaje bribe MPP for no ma pass Levy mama ye ni na ho especially the opposition party yanya smarter they will play tricks against us be play tricks
when you are no blogger it will come be fa ya kati be bia blast ya
no we are to NDC
the pop I mean most of the people never think say they are working for NDC.
They are working for them. They give video no one cut na NDC akọ drop
people fusa dey tin omo demonstration ya join ni wo there is no problem in NDC demonstrating against Levy. Any problem just say ye bi yanko parliament just say demonstration then now we are all raising a concern say ade e ba so man ye ni nye ho
monim say we NDC for friend emra na da kwa ma yetumi kofa Oliver say wa kwase obeyeku na CPP ni ka so obeyeku yanko fa no emra na da ho ayema honorable Kennedy Japan etumi keka de ope wo promo a emra bi anya na hwe no samra no atamo seti ase no ene yeti eyi constitutional review committee ene yi
happy faka ho asem
de bi oketeche free faka ena atamos ene na dum nyina ka ho John Mahama mu nyina mo ka ho ene mo review constitution no ene ye solve every problem in the constitution atamos ewu a na ye wo John Dramani Mahama eyewo ene o sanka wo to aso
no say ade no say de omo say no bi akopepepe
NDC for the MPP for the penyumfo ekukudam ene tena ase e review constitution no e dey nti na John Dramani Mahama want to aso amayansa constitution no na mebu na sole o sa ho kwan me say NDC ba power Levy no beto aso me na me ka be chere
ya no man messing up ama ni ama say asika ni we no confess ka we fa o just ka we fa
me catch them from them they want say mo ye hwe ya no ye meti wei na me time nua o hene David meti wei na me betan Twini Jonas meti wei na Twini Jonas aba live na Twini Jonas etumi aheti 9k a enye me na mani ba je say yes dwumedie na start ye edu etire
ba ko for Christian so na me
na ye betufo kakra mu followers ya mu say na ochina mu beba we court ho
ma na say wa make o ko
so mu wase aduma ba so mu wase type mo fa ya
kwa aduma ba wa ma no ne tani dem ba be ka to say you are coward for advice me and say you are coward
ya chi Captain Smart kusie kurensi ho ya chi
ya fa no to fa le je wo mi say me kan tre obi a oye blogger wa koji sika say you want to bring Akufo-Addo government down or he want to bring down or to tarnish the image of the president, I can assure that person. I can assure that person say he's lying. you face bitter resistance. So what I say. Last week, me say Kevin Taylor, can't send say Akufo-Addo bodyguard. When you stay the answer there. Me monitor baby. I what did you know? One number America. What did cool high? Me wake katan ni you know. Yeah. Me one color. One monitor. Baby, a restaurant we could did you know. Say last week me the picture back home for the month. Baby, I want nothing you know. Me what in from my age.
Yeah. Nini now I say no nini now.
Inti. Oh no. Only place to hide. We are coming after him step by step. And we'll make sure he will end at ground zero. It's a security term. He will end at ground zero. We are monitoring him closely. And sir, photoshopping. The Omukoya photoshopping. They are Nipakwa Omoye no. They are also, we are monitoring them closely. And the ever from Interpol I know for some reasons I will not tell. But we are closing. The deal will close very soon. You understand?
Yes.
So Nipa Dia will post some pictures. He will come and count with where he get those pictures. Whether it's real or photoshopping or what. Even anywhere he stay in this current world, he will account with it. So I know me person me assure anybody, everybody, say you go super 2021 no. I know I came omuye deda bibia ye ka say o security asem ye fam ba abonte ye nka. Say no. The omuye bia ye baba ba brief Ghana for. The omuye bia the omo akosise, the omo plan say omo be bia. But we come after that. Anytime I'm just sending strong signal with them, they can run. But they cannot hide.
Thank you. But Debbie.
Cyber security, it's 95%. I can guarantee you. Yeah, but they will face the law. They will face the consequences. Whoever. Now, now. They are dictator who need correct sources where the information come, where the money pay with them, who sponsor, who I'm telling them, we come after them. So to say your security assem, your friend betu abonti, no mu ye nema say Ghana government edi. Akufo-Addo edi no say no. O say Ghana no. Ghana there o say o obusia. Ewo no o pese enye fe no better. Then a mona na so say or ye demonstration at Levy. Or that Parliament House carpet so FF and Marco or